just shut. You see the difference that soundproof door makes. Let's just check out. Noise levels here in the aft cabin more than acceptable. Let's just make our way forward through the galley, equipped with washer, dryer, dishwasher, huge American fridge, really nice fittings here. Just make our way through again. Look at these wooden finishes. Up into the saloon. This is more than acceptable. Just make our way. As you can see here, we've got port and starboard doors, and right aft as well. So really good access, both for convivial eating out back, or for manoeuvres. Now let's have a look here. Wow, well, that's really doing its job. Plenty of cooling water coming out of there, not much smoke, and frankly noise levels out here, if you're cruising, more than acceptable.